Priki, good morning. How are you today? Yeah, today with Miss Hesti, we will make something. Yeah, you need to prepare your paper, crayons, and cooking oil. Yeah, okay, paper, crayons, and cooking oil. We will draw something. Are you ready? Untuk mama dan papa, painting kali ini kami membebaskan anak-anak untuk berekspresi sebebas-bebasnya tanpa dibatasi. Ya, jadi nanti kita akan mereview bentuk-bentuk yang sudah pernah kita buat bersama dengan saya terutama, yaitu circle, triangle, straight line, wave line, dan zigzag line. Nah, nanti dari bentuk-bentuk itu anak-anak boleh sebebas mereka untuk membuat suatu karya. Oke, terima kasih mama dan papa atas pendampingannya.
Okay, friends, you need to prepare your crayons and then cooking oil and a paper. Okay, now friends, do you remember what shape to make the pig's head last time? Yeah, circle. Now let's try to draw a circle. Let's try to make it thicker with your crayons, friends. What about the shape of pig's ears? Do you remember what shape? Yeah, triangle. Now come on, let's try to draw a triangle. Make it thicker again. Do you remember the lines that we tried to make before? Yes, there are straight line. Come on, let's try to make a straight line. The thick straight line. And then the line that looks like a wave. Yeah, it's wave line. Come on, let's try to make a thick wave line. Then the line that looks like shark teeth. Yeah, it's a zigzag line. Let's try to make a thick zigzag line with your crayons. Now we have two shapes and three lines. Wow, friends, what can you make with this circle, triangle, straight line, wave line, and zigzag line? Yeah, maybe you want to draw with circle and wave line, just both of them, it's okay. Or maybe you just want to use triangle and circle, or triangle and straight line. It's okay, friends, it's up to you, okay? Later, when you finish drawing, it's time for us to use the cooking oil. Use your finger to take a little bit of cooking oil and draw a line with your finger with cooking oil. Look, the color can blend like this, friends.
So, how is it, Prike?
What are you drawing?
With those shapes and lines? May I take a look? Yeah. Okay, it's good, friends. Thank you, Prike, for drawing with me by expressing your imagination. Yeah. And thank you, Mom and Dad. Terima kasih Mama dan Papa karena sudah mendampingi anak-anak untuk membuat gambar sesuai imajinasi anak-anak sendiri. Thank you everyone. See you next time.